Aloha, and welcome to Aloha Biomedical Services. Let me tell you more about our services. We are a biomedical equipment maintenance company that serves the beautiful islands of Hawaii. And we are the team of highly trained technicians. Technicians that are specializes in medical equipment repair, installation, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections for all modalities of medical, laboratory, and medical imaging equipment. And now I can tell you about what makes us stand out from other maintenance companies is our expertise in providing medical device field service operations on behalf of medical equipment manufacturers. We work with some of the most reputable brands in the industry to ensure that your equipment is functioning properly and safely. In addition to our standard services, we also perform annual testing and recertification of isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. This is an essential service that helps ensure the safety of your patients and staff, and we take it very seriously. At Aloha Biomedical Services, we are committed to providing our clients with the highest quality service and support. Our team is available 24/7 to provide emergency services, and we offer customized preventive maintenance plans to help minimize downtime and maximize the lifespan of your equipment. So if you're looking for a reliable partner to help you keep your medical equipment running smoothly, look no further than Aloha Biomedical Services. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you meet your maintenance needs in Hawaii. Mahalo!